Marvel's Darkhold is written by Steve Orlando. The Darkhold is a book of sins of Marvel Universe. It has the power to corrupt anyone who reads the book. By using this book, its creator, the Elder God Chthon, has the power to destroy the entire world. Welcome to ComicsTube YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll review the one-shot series of Darkhold the Wasp. So, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. All the text and images are owned by its respected company. Please support the industry by purchasing it digitally or from any offline stores. Let's hop in on what happened in previous issue. Doom has found the book and he reads it, which awakes the Dark God Chthon. Wanda arrives in that situation and tries to convince him that the only way to defeat Chthon is to join forces and prepare a team. But Doom is arrogant as ever. He rejects her proposal. He claims only the Wix is possessed by Chthon and his book, but not Doom, and he goes off by himself into Chthon's dimension. In the past, Chthon was defeated by 5 ancient warriors: the Dreamer, the Fool, the Stoic, the Hunter and the Artist. So Wanda gathers 5 defenders of Earth who have the abilities of those 5 ancient warriors. Her magic locates Spider-Man, Iron Man, Blade, Wasp and Black Bolt. Wanda explains why they have summoned and everyone agrees to help until Doom returns, defeated by the Chthon. To enter Chthon's dimension, they read the book, but soon they became insane. The dark power from the book twisted their soul. Their body turns and mutated into strange variations of themselves. They have become the Darkhold defied, corrupted by Chthon's evil. Janet was a fashion designer until she fell in love with Hank Pym. He gifted her the ability to change her size at her will, along with the synthetic wings and bioelectric stings. She became the Wasp and a member of the Avengers. Soon Hank and Janet got married, but when Hank's personal problem made their relationship unsafe, she ended things with him and moved on with her life, until she read from Darkhold and changes the reality of her life. The issue starts with the battle between Kang and the Avengers. Tony pointed his gauntlet at Kang and says, "Some genius like you really thought you could break into a museum in a broad daylight." But before he finished his words, Kang takes control over his armored suit and fires at Thor and Captain America. Wasp quickly flies into the air and passes Kang into the face. As Kang can see future, he tells her that he knows how she feels. He can sense her emotions, her hatred, her anger. She can be free without her husband. "You remind me of my love. Only I could take care of her. Is there someone taking care of you?" He leaves the place grabbing the amulet. Later she came down to Hank's lab and offers him some food to eat. But instead of showing love and compassion, he shouts at her. Janet tells him everything is going to be okay. We should give us more time. Vacation would be great to get some refreshment. But Hank rejects her proposal. He says he is busy with his work and don't have the time to go on a vacation, because he needs to prove the Avengers he is worthy to be a part in the team. In the past, he did some horrible things due to his mental instability. He kidnapped Jane by his alter ego Yellow Jacket and forced her to marry him, but she's figured out Yellow Jacket's true identity and takes the advantage of his offer of marriage. He also plans to build a robot and program it to attack the Avengers. When the robot started to attack, he planned to take it down and show every member of the Avengers what a hero he could be, and also to avoid being kicked out of the Avengers. But Janet discovers his plan and tries to stop him from doing this, but he accidentally hits her. Later it reveals that the robot was another personification of Ultron, who brainwashed him to do these horrible things. Also in the Ultimate Universe, the couple gets into a physical argument over Janet's friendship with Steve Rogers. Janet then shrunk down her body to get away from him, but Hank cornered her by spraying bug spray. She hid herself under the desk to catch her breath, but Hank attacks her by an army of ants, resulting her to admit in a hospital. Back to the main issue, where Jane and Tigra are talking with each other about their personal life and the horrible things that happened due to their marriage. Then Hank came in front of them, slamming the door. When she asks him what happened, he replies that the Avengers think his behavior became too inconsistent because he attacked Elf Queen instead of trying to reason with her. Captain America thinks because of his arrogant behavior, innocent people could have been killed. They are going to make him stand court-martial because of his action. Later in the night, she came into Hank's lab as she was worried about him. But he did not care about her emotion. Instead of showing her any sympathy and care, he started attacking her. Because of Hank's action, Janet lost all of her patience. She was tired about his abusive nature, which crosses the every line of their personal life, resulting her to end her husband's life. How long is a woman meant to stand in a man's shadow? It is time to spread her wings. She doesn't need anyone. She is free. Thus the chapter ends here. I think Darkhold Wasp is another great horror one-shot series that explain human emotions and experience. Which part you like the most? Please comment down. Please share this video with your friends and loved ones. And also, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. See you guys later.